Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to check IMEI number in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for IMEI number, we will have to go to the settings, of course, and in the settings menu we have to scroll all the way down to the section About Phone, and here we have our IMEI numbers. We have two because our phone is a dual SIM slot phone. We also have name, serial number, etc. The IMEI number should match the number on the box. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.